Hi everybody, welcome to the 50-somethings.
We're living life to the fullest and practicing for retirement.
Alright, so we are leaving Trimble Park. It was a really pretty stay, and we are headed to North Carolina now, but we are staying a night in Georgia just to make it a bearable drive. We figure probably around 350 miles a day will work for us. So we're going to stop at a place called Creek Fire just for the night. I don't even think we're going to unhook the truck.
No. I will say this about Trimble Park though. We only stayed 2 days. If I had even an idea of how nice that park was, we would have stayed a week or so, because we came up here to see family for a couple of days and we definitely had the time. It is definitely on my list to stay at again when we come to family. Definitely a place you want to stay. We thoroughly enjoyed it. I know it's going to be like awesome during the winter time when you don't have to contend with the bugs and mosquitoes as bad, but you know that's part of the game of staying in Florida during the summer.
We are on 95 headed north, and we are just about to leave Florida.
Across our first state line.
Yeah, on this little adventure.
Contrary to my beliefs, this is actually work, because you're constantly monitoring that fifth wheel back there in our case. So anybody that says that full-time RVing is full-time retirement, I'll disagree with them right now. Because I've been working for the last 6 weeks on this little adventure to get started.
There is a lot of traffic out here today. Here we go. Welcome to Georgia.
The Peach State. Well, that was exciting.
That was so exciting. We're stopping at the Welcome Center.
Yes, we are. We actually just stopped at Fire Creek Resort off of 95, headed north. Hopefully, we'll have a nice pull through or just a straight up back in.
There we go. One night in Creek Fire Resort. All right, so.
In Space 11, as Laura just pointed out, just like the one we just left.
Hold on.
So we're right now heading into Asheville, North Carolina. Just a couple of the goods, the bads, and the don't do's, since everybody likes to talk about that, right? Well, one, don't hit trees, because I did. Luckily, I didn't do any damage. It was just a bumper mount, but I hit the tree. So that's the outside damage, if you call it that. It barely scraped it.
Oh yeah, it was a small spot, and then.
So that was the outside mistake.
Yep. So then I got the inside, because you know we have to take turns. I'm glad he went first though, because well, I'm ugly that way. But it matters. It matters where everything is when you bring those slides in. I bet my TV tray was not 2 inches out from the side of the couch, and I'm bringing it in, and that thing's powerful, so you don't know anything's wrong until something
Breaks.
Right, and I heard this loud crack, and I thought, oh God, what just happened? So I stopped it, screamed at Bo, what's going on? Nothing from his side. So I put it back out a little bit, and when I went over, I'm like, thank God. It was a $20 TV tray.
And very little nick on one of the sconces.
No, the facing board, the trim work around the slide. So that's an easy fix. I can take care of that.
Yeah, you know, it makes you feel bad when you're in a brand new, not even a 2-month-old fifth wheel, and we've already, you know, started tearing some stuff up.
Oh yeah, double whammy, same day. So.
But having said that,
crap happens.
Crap happens. But here's what you learn from it. One, get some good headsets. We were using our cell phones, and that's what caused the outside problem, is there was a delay.
Yep.
And by the time she was hollering to stop, I'd already scraped the tree.
Yes.
So get some good headsets. We are.
Yeah, we tried, we went to Walmart, we found some that were the voice box.
Voice activated.
Yeah.
Still a delay.
There was still a delay. We're gonna find something better, because we need real time when we're
Yeah.
talking to each other. You can't have any sort of delay.
And on the inside, all like I say is check, double check, and then triple check to make sure that your slides are going to clear. Because, well, $20 table's no big deal, but if we damage the slides, that's a huge deal, right?
Yeah. But that being said, you're still gonna break something. So sorry.
Yeah,
Sorry.
It's going to happen.
It is pretty up here in the hills, so we are looking forward to this stay, and I really hope we get some good footage and get a good review on the upcoming
Yeah, and
Lake
you know,
Powhatan campground.
and always, you know, if you got any advice or anything like that, shoot it our way. Leave it in the comments. Share it, like it, subscribe, all that good crap, you know.
We may be too stubborn to take it at first, but
You're probably going to make your mistakes no matter what.
yeah.
But as I always say, get out there and live life, because you know what, 53 years old and 22 years old next to me, right? But we just made that decision. We're doing it. You know, hopefully you get there one day. This is the first time I've ever pulled anything like this, and here we are in the middle of the mountains, and that's okay. We're just going slow.
Yep. Better safe than sorry.
Okay, we've just entered the what's it called, Laura?
Lake Powhatan
Lake Powhatan.
in Pisgah Forest. Oh, this is a little bit of a turn left. It's pretty in here. 37.
39.
Yeah. Oh, this will be
Not too bad.
sure.